Hi everyone, I'm really excited to give you a first look at our brand new email template editor launched on the 7th of October as part of the new FLG UI. In this video, I'll show you just how quick and simple it is to build a basic template. So as you can see on the left hand side, you still have all of your template properties. So you will have things like the template name, the lead group association, as well as the different CC and attachment options. You will now have the option to either choose from a predefined template or design from scratch. With the predefined templates, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. You can preview them before selecting, and the option to see how they would look on both mobile and desktop. If you're happy with the content that's in there, you can just select use this template, and then you can amend things like the branding, the colours, and the actual wording of the content that is within there. As I'm going to be showing you how to create a basic template, I'm going to select design from scratch, and this will now give me the structure block that I can now create. So on the right hand side, you'll see things like content, structure, and the template settings. So I'm just going to start by beginning by creating an FLG header. So I'm just going to select the plus button and image, and this time I can either drag and drop an image within here or select browse. So I'm going to choose one that's already saved in the system as the FLG logo. I'm not too happy with the sizing at the moment, so I am just going to reduce that size down until I'm happy. But with me wanting this to be a full width header, I don't want this to just be an image that is central of the page. I'm going to select the back and then select background colour. Using my picker tool, I'm going to select the purple, and now you can see I have a full width header that goes across all of my email templates. So now that I'm happy with this, I'm going to add a new structure block in place. So again, dragging and dropping that structure in here. And this time I want it to be a text box. So within the text box here, you can amend it, put your template variables in, and add the content that you desire. As well as the option to add other structure blocks as well. So this time I want to add in a couple of buttons, so I'm just going to drag and drop them in, and again selecting the buttons. I want this to all be on theme with the FLG branding, so I am going to change the colours of the buttons. So I'm just going to select them here, scroll down to the properties and select the button colour. Using the picker tool again, I am going to select that purple. Picker tool again and selecting the purple colour. That will then give me the same content colours that I wanted across all of the email template. So now that I've got my buttons in place, I can add different links within here. So at the moment it is linking to Google. You can use them for things like your website, any socials, as well as any links that you need to include within your templates. The good thing about FLG is once you have everything built, you can actually save them as a block within the template. So I can keep things like our header, footer, confidentiality notice. Instead of recreating them every time, I can just drag and drop them straight in. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. It is just a case of once you've created it, selecting save as block. And this time I'm going to just put this in as demo header, and saving that within here. So now that I've saved that, I can now go back to the content and saved, and I now have all of my saved options on the right hand side. So I am going to drag and drop some of these in. So I'm going to start by doing the high lead first name. I'm going to also do the user signature. I'm going to add in the FLG footer, which is just at the top here. Again, just dragging and dropping that in where I'd like it, as well as the confidentiality notice. So it is just as simple as that, just dragging and dropping them in, and you also now have a pre-made template that is all in the system ready to use. Once I'm happy with the design, all I need to do is click save, give it a name, and it's ready to use in my automations or any one-off emails. And that's it. A really simple, reusable email template built in just a few minutes with the new editor. This all goes live on the 7th of October, and in the next videos I'll take you through some more advanced features like personalisation and dynamic content.